You guys, I just want to show you the latest project that I did on my Jeep Renegade 2018 Latitude. It's a 2.4 liter. So I basically took out the muffler right there. Didn't want to have a headache on removing the rubber thing that holds the exhaust, so I just took up the whole thing and then took off the resonator and everything. Just basically screw this and then pull it out. So, and then I went to AutoZone and bought a 2.5 inch downpipe right there. Get my light real quick right there. So basically clamp and a downpipe right there. Then you just had to modify the pipe a little bit to make it fit. So I grinded the downpipe just a little bit down to imitate the openings on the exhaust. Now I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. Good plus for that, but I'm gonna take you guys out for a drive. Alright, like I said, there's no drones on it. I'm gonna be driving windows down. So basically I spent $6 on the downpipe itself, and then $3 on the clamp, so a total of $9 for the whole exhaust modifications. But right now we're just kind of cruising at a very low RPMs, like 2,000, 1,000. Like I said, there's no drones. I don't know how that happened. I was expecting like full exhaust. There's traffic right there. windows up. Very nice. I'm gonna do another quick pull for you guys going back, and this time it's gonna be windows up, so stay tuned. So here we go, we're making a turn, and keep in mind guys that there are no check engine lights that came on in the making of this video. Haven't know yet, this is an automatic Renegade. I don't know if it adds more power to it. If it does, then a little bit, of course, just because the restrictions of the air, it's gonna be less. So it probably does, it probably not, so who knows. But I just wanted the sound of it, because I went from a Mustang to a Civic Si to a Jeep, so I'm a fan of loud exhausts. But I am trying to get into off-roading community, which is not bad. I am actually planning to buy the 4-inch lift kit for it, and then probably bigger tires, and at least 17 inches of, or I might probably use my stock rims from it because I really like them. But yeah, once I get my parts ordered up and everything is ready to go, I will make sure that I make a video of it for you guys. But I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you like and subscribe on my my video if you like the content of it. Yeah, I'll see you next time.